This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for March 20th, 2018. Corn market today down anywhere from 1/4 cent to 3/4 of a cent. Soybeans up 5 cents in the old crop, up 2 cents in the new crop. Chicago wheat up 1/4 to 2 1/4. Minneapolis wheat down 2 to 3 1/2. Kansas City anywhere from steady to down 3/4 of a cent. Look to the action today. It was a very slow day. Market really trying to digest what happened on Monday and where it's going moving forward. Some of the key things we're talking about right now is key support areas around 379 off the July corn. From our vantage point, that's an important support area. The next one's down to 358, and we just feel that's asking a lot of the market right now from our opinion standpoint. The bean market holding up a little better. Obviously, rains in Argentina weren't overly huge over the weekend. We did get some reasonable rains, caught some areas that really needed it. But again, it wasn't a wide-scale game-changing type rain where drought's over and we can benefit some of the late soybeans. It was really hit or miss. So bean market, after a sizable loss yesterday, trying to just set some balance here and set a base. And that's what we saw today, so at least a little bit firmer. And the wheat market still trying to digest how big of rains those were for Kansas. I think they were important rains, much needed, but we left Oklahoma and Western Texas dry, and that's going to be something to watch. We've got temperatures that range anywhere from 8 to 15 degrees above average for the next week, and a drier tone as well. So that's going to be the tug of war for the wheat market. Key support areas right around that 463 area off the May Kansas City wheat, and we got down there or near there a couple times a day and found ourselves closing right at that 470 level, and we think that too will be a good support area. If we're wrong, 422 is the next level, and we just think that's a lot to ask of this market right now. You know, these key support areas later on in the year, that could happen if we get good planting and good spring weather. But adversely, if we get some problems this year, the corn carryout gets rather tight in a hurry. We're talking about if you use a 89.5 million acre planting and a 173 average yields with demand that is very similar to what we've got right now, you're looking at a scenario where this carryout can get as low as 1.516 based off those statistics. So we need to be a little attentive here, and that's why we're looking for those support measures. Cattle today, feeder cattle down anywhere from 67.5 to 92.5, live cattle down 65 to 115. Hog market pretty much steady to down 42.5, so a little weaker tone there, a little more liquidation. We're nearing the third price counts for both the hogs and cattle, and we think those are areas at least we'll slow for a minute and try to recover from there. Exports and weights are going to be the important part as we work ahead. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss. It is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.